Why is Pluto not a planet? What is a Plutoid and what's the difference to a Plutino? After its discovery in 1930, Pluto was declared the 9th planet. However, on August 24, 2006, Pluto lost this status and was classified as a dwarf planet at the edge of the solar system, a Plutino and a Plutoid at the same time. The reason for the decision by the International Astronomical Union to strip Pluto of its planetary status was the discovery of Eris. Eris is even further away from the Sun than Pluto, is larger and has more mass. The discoverers of Eris called for to be declared the 10th planet in 2003. Instead, the International Astronomical Union astronomers reduced the number of planets to 8 by clearly defining for the first time what the essential characteristics of a planet are and excluding Pluto from this list. Fittingly, the name Eris was chosen for this celestial body, named after the Greek goddess of discord. A dwarf planet is a celestial body that has not cleared its orbit of other objects and is not a satellite. This is where Pluto failed. It is so small that it was unable to clear its orbit. This new definition, which cost Pluto its planetary status, is still causing controversy today. There are even more dwarf planets at the edge of the solar system on the scale of Eris and Pluto. The International Astronomical Union therefore introduced the category of Plutoids in June 2008, dwarf planets that move outside of Neptune's orbit. Pluto is both the namesake and the best known of the Plutinos. These are celestial bodies in the Kuiper belt whose orbits, like Pluto's, are directly influenced by Neptune's orbit. Pluto is in a so-called 3-to-2 resonance with Neptune. While Neptune orbits the Sun 3 times, in just under 500 years, Pluto orbits the Sun twice. Pluto's moon Charon, which shares Pluto's orbit, is also a Plutino, as are several other objects. The solar system is home to only a few dwarf planets. In addition to Pluto, the former Planet Candidate series and Eris were also classified as dwarf planets in 2006, followed by Makemake and Haumea in 2008. A handful of other Kuiper belt objects, including Sedna, are still candidates for dwarf planet status.